Hey guys, this is Spencer with Hush Holsters, and today I'm going to show you how to take your SKS and put it into our SKS 2K stock. First thing you're going to do is you're going to ask the gun nicely if it's loaded. Are you loaded? And then you're going to check it's clear. Then you're going to flip it upside down. You're going to put it on safety. Take a tool, preferably something that's not marring, but this is what I have. You're going to push in that little button right there. Rotate that off. You're going to have to open the bolt to remove the magazine, the fixed magazine. And now you'll have the trigger guard off. Unfold the bayonet slightly, and you should be able to remove this old wooden stock. Then you're going to take our folding stock, depending on which version you have, and you're going to insert it just like this onto the rifle. Now, right here, we have a small pin that we're including, and you're going to want to put that in this little slot right here. Might be helpful to do this with this a little further out. That is to keep it centered in the stock. And then close it on up, fold your bayonet, flip it over. You're going to take your factory SKS trigger group, stick it in underneath there. You're going to take our AK grip adapter, slide it over the end of this, push it on down. You're going to try and get that little button over there one more time. I like to do it with just my hand. Shouldn't be that hard. You're going to take your AK grip, slide it onto the top, take your Allen key, screw it on down. That's all there is to it. You can use Archangel or Tapco magazines. You can also use the fixed magazine if you want. Remember, with these you have to generally open the bolt to insert magazines. Here you go. Actuate it, open this up. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.